Nestled on the shores of Lake Michigan, Traverse City gleams like a hidden gem. Tucked on East Bay and West Bay of Grand Traverse Bay, this unique city is waiting to be discovered. Known for its breathtaking beauty and unique location, it's a top vacation destination in the heart of Michigan. Ready to explore? Here are the top 10 things to do in Traverse City. Starting at number 10, immerse yourself in the local culture at the Denos Museum. A haven for art lovers, the museum is home to a diverse collection of both local and international artworks. Moving on to number 9, take a scenic drive along the Old Mission Peninsula. This picturesque route is lined with lush vineyards, quaint farms, and breathtaking views of the Grand Traverse Bay. Next at number 8, explore the downtown shopping district. You'll find an eclectic mix of boutiques, galleries, and specialty shops, each with its own unique charm. At number 7, sample some of the finest local wines from the dozens of local wineries dotting the Old Mission Peninsula, Leelanau Peninsula, and Antrim County. Make sure to stop by the quaint village of Elk Rapids, just a short 10-minute drive north of Traverse City on US 31. When you're in downtown Elk Rapids, stop by Northern Michigan's Hollywood Hub. This unique attraction has numerous Hollywood celebrities along the walls of Traverse Bay Farms. Coming in at number 6, enjoy a day at the Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore. The towering dunes and crystal-clear waters make for a truly spectacular sight. Halfway through at number 5, attend a show at the historic City Opera House. This beautifully restored venue offers a lineup of performances that cater to all tastes. At number 4, go cherry picking in the cherry capital of the world. Traverse City's abundant orchards offer a fun-filled day of cherry, apple, peach, strawberries, and other locally grown fruits. For number 3, dine on the picturesque Grand Traverse Bay. The waterfront restaurants serve up delicious local cuisine with stunning views. Almost at the top, at number 2, sail on a tall ship. These majestic vessels offer a unique way to experience the beauty of the bay. And the number 1 thing to do in Traverse City, a sunset beach walk, a perfect end to an unforgettable day. With such a diverse range of attractions, Traverse City offers something for everyone. This city is a versatile vacation destination, whether you're a foodie, an adventurer, or a history buff. So why wait? Traverse City is calling, and it's high time you answered.